guys, we are on day number 22. Do you know what today is?
Yes.
No, what's December 22nd? Today is Caleb's birthday! So guys, comment down below, wish this little boy a happy birthday. High five. How old are you today?
7.
He is 7 years old.
Yes.
So today is actually not December 22nd when we're filming this, but we are filming this ahead of time. So when you're watching this, it is Caleb's birthday.
Yes.
And he is turning 7 today.
I turned 4.
Yeah, Cash turned 4 in October. So I have my little Christmas baby right here. So happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday. It was just already Christmas. We ain't doing that one.
It's almost Christmas. Okay guys, so 22nd, it's our 22nd Advent bag. So Caleb, would you like to grab that for me? I want to open it. No, I'm just kidding. You open it. It's your birthday. Are you kidding me? Mohr. Yeah!
I got this one.
It's the same.
I got this one.
Alright guys, we actually have 2 blind bags of the Thomas tank, and like I said yesterday when we got one, we love these things. Okay guys, let's open this up.
I want to get this one.
The green one, the muddy one? I thought we got that yesterday.
No, this. I got over there.
Okay. Oh, yay, we got number 3, and he's green, and I don't know his name. Okay, so yesterday's checklist didn't have the names written on it, but this one does. That's a little strange, don't you think? Okay, so we are looking for number 3. Oh yeah, there it is. So Cashin got Henry, number 3. The green one. Oh no, we got a double. Oh my goodness, this never happens. Right. So Caleb also got Henry, number 3. Oh well, it happened. Number 3.
Let me see this. I want to see this.
Did you find him? I think flip it over. You're on the specialty side. Yeah, right there. He's a classic. Alright guys, so I guess that is it. We got doubles of Henry. Oh my goodness. So comment down below and tell us which one was your favorite. Could it be Henry or could it be Henry? Which one is it? We will see you tomorrow. But in the meantime, go check us out on all of our social medias. We are on Facebook, Instagram, Periscope, and Twitter. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, comment, and
Thumbs up!
we'll see y'all in our next video.
Bye!